Salut, c'est Marie de Just French It. Welcome in this new episode of Vendredi Vocabulary. Vendredi Vocabulary is a fun series that I do every Friday on Just French It, and it is all about, hey, vocabulary. I'm so funny, am I? But anyway, in each episode of Vendredi Vocabulary, we are learning 5, 10, 15 sentences or words in French. And, well, yes, that's basically what we do. So, what we do. It's basically what we do. And you can use the sentences that you learn with me in Vendredi Vocabulary straight away because we are going to learn how to pronounce them. Because that's, I think, one of the most important things when it comes to language learning is learning pronunciation. So, okay, this week we are going to talk about love. We are going to talk and learn how to say je t'aime, which means I love you, 5 different ways. So there are levels to that, right? Not all of them mean exactly I love you. So the first one is I love you. I love you is je t'aime. Je t'aime. Let's hear you say that. Je t'aime. T'aime. Je t'aime. Good. It's the traditional, way to say I love you to someone. You generally only say that to your lover. Okay, I say that to my dogs as well, but you can say that to anyone. But it's something that you reserve for the people you truly love, right? It's about love. If you want to say, however, that you like something, you can say j'aime bien. J'aime bien. I like well. I like very much. Literally, it means I like well. J'aime bien. J'aime bien. J'aime bien. Good. If you want to tell someone that you like them, but you want to say it in a bit of a funny way, a bit of a cozy kind of way, you can say je t'adore. Je t'adore. Let's hear you say that. Je t'adore. T'adore. Je t'adore. Good. Now, if you really want to insist on the fact that you are in love with someone, I am in love with you, there's going to be 2 ways, because here we're going to have to differentiate between men and women, or boys and girls. If you are a man, you need to say it, a man or a boy, right? You need to say it like this. Je suis amoureux de toi. Je suis amoureux de toi. I am in love with you. Now let's say it together. Je suis amoureux de toi. Je suis amoureux de toi. This little z sound is called a liaison. Now, if you are a woman or a girl, this is what you should say. And it's almost the same, but with a little twist. Je suis amoureuse. Je suis amoureuse de toi. Je suis amoureuse de toi. Je suis amoureuse de toi. Now, if you want to say to someone, I like you well. We said j'aime bien. And here you want to say it to someone. I like you very well, but I don't love you. Je t'aime bien. Je t'aime bien. J'aime bien. I like very much something. Je t'aime bien. I like you very much. Je t'aime bien. And finally, if you are really, really passionate and that you want to say that to someone you truly love and have passion fruit for. Passion fruit. Oh, right. I ate passion fruit for lunch, so I guess that came out like that. I love passion fruit. But anyway, if you are passionate about someone, you can say, and here again, there's going to be 2 different ways depending if you are a woman, a girl, or a boy or a man. If you are a woman, je suis folle de toi. Je suis folle de toi. I am crazy about you. Je suis folle de toi. Je suis folle de toi. Je suis folle de toi. If you are a man or a boy, you should say it like this. Je suis fou de toi. 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 Let's recap all of that. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. I love you. Je t'adore. Je t'adore. I like you. Casually. Je t'adore. I am in love with you. Je suis amoureux de toi. For men. Je suis amoureuse de toi. For women. I like you much. Je t'aime bien. Je t'aime bien. And I am passionate. I am crazy about you. Je suis fou de toi. Je suis folle de toi. There you go. That was a really, really fun little Vendredi Vocabulary episode, and I'll see you Monday on Just French It. If you enjoyed this episode, I suggest you subscribe to the emails in which I send every day to take your French and your language learning also to the next level. I'll see you in emails. Bye bye.